Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This is Veronica and you're watching Beauties Crown. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite detox drink, how amazingly it works to achieve that clear and glowy skin. So without delaying, let's get started. So friends, here is my detox drink. I literally love drinking it. It only contains, this is like super affordable, it only contains cucumber and lemon. This is especially for achieving that clear skin. If you're having acne prone skin, if you are having that pimple problem, this video is especially for you guys to remove acne, to detox your body from inside, and this will gonna give you a clear and spotless skin. So making this is super duper easy. I'm going to show you. You just don't need to do any rocket science thing or anything. This is very simple and so good, super healthy. The benefit of drinking this is it will gonna help you in clearing your skin, giving you glow to your face, helping you in stopping that acne marks and that acne pimple problem, detoxification of your body from inside, and making your skin super healthy. And it will gonna also improve in achieving that bright and clear skin. So I was personally facing acne problem. I'm having a oily and acne prone skin, so this helps me a lot in controlling them. If you are taking this thrice a week, trust me, you will see a good change in your body and in your health and in your skin especially. This will gonna make it to stop your acne automatically. If you're going to flush out all the toxins from your body, and this will gonna help in that. If you're going to flush out all the toxins, automatically your skin going to be very good and healthy. So just let me show you how you have to make it, and let me show you guys. So guys, firstly take one jar, add drinking water in it, fill it up, take normal drinking water, add few slices of cucumber, 4 to 5 slices of cucumber, and 2 slices of lemon. Put the lid. So now you have to put it like this for overnight, or you can put it in a refrigerator and next day you have to drink it. You just have to take a jar, put water and add half cucumber, half lemon, and then just leave it like this for overnight. You can add mint in it. I don't like mint flavor that much, so I didn't add it. Just you can add mint in that. So just leave it overnight and next day drink it. And you can refill it up to one time, and then just throw all these veggies and just throw cucumber and lemon, and then refill it with a new vegetable. So this is how you have to drink it. You can refrigerate it if you like chilled it. You can just refrigerate it. You can add many things, and you can add mint, you can add ginger, but these two things, cucumber and lemon, is must. You need to add that because cucumber is amazing. It is like these two are lemon. We all know lemon is like too good for removing all the dirt, and it just made our skin glow. And cucumber again helps you in removing all the toxins and all the bad things, the impurities from your body. So these two are the must. I just love to have these two only, so I did this. Just go and try it out and drink it thrice a week. If you can drink it regularly, then it's the best option, because I personally drink it regularly. This is my must water. I drink it like regularly, and this is too good for my skin, and I'm super happy after taking this. So beauty, just go and try this out. If you have any queries, this one is especially for acne, if you want for glowing skin, spotless skin, and if you want me to make other flavored water drinks, so I'm going to make it for you guys. Just comment it in the comment section. What is your recommendation, what's your demand, and I'm surely gonna make it for you guys. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any requests, just comment it. Follow me on Instagram and see my Snapchat too. So see you in my next video. Bye and take care.